How do you make sure that your Etsy listing brings you more digital product sales? How do you need to optimize it? In this video, I will share the exact SEO ranking strategy that will get your digital product listings ranking in search and making you more sales. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and making more money online. If you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Now, if you want to sell more digital products on Etsy, the first thing you want to do is have a niched shop. So do not start an Etsy shop for both digital and physical products that will confuse people, but focus on digital products of one kind. For example, business templates, printable stickers, printable wall art, social media templates, but do not mix printable wall art and social media templates, for example. This will ensure that when you target a certain audience with a certain product, when they click on your shop, they will also be interested in all of your other products because they suit them and their business. But besides that, Etsy pays attention to your listings SEO. And if you have mixed SEO on different listings and they're all about different things, they will have a hard time ranking your listings in search and getting you more sales. So they need to know what your shop is all about, your listings are all about, so that they know when to show your product to a client that is searching for it. Now, if you want to get more digital product sales on Etsy, you will need to optimize your shop. Add a branded profile image and cover image for your Etsy shop, write your short description line, as well as optimize the About Us text and the images at the bottom of the shop. Add a few images describing your activity, some behind the scenes photos, and basically explain who your products are for. An important part of shop optimization are the shop sections that you will be creating when you add a new listing and that you add your listings to. This will help people browse your shop, see the categories that you have in your shop, and it will help them find their desired products a lot faster. Now let's talk about product listings and how you need to optimize these if you want more sales on Etsy. The first thing you need is obviously a good product with a good price for the market. For that, you will need to research the market a little bit, see what your competition is doing, how many social media templates are they offering for what price and all that. Because for example, nobody will buy one social media template for $20. But if you offer a pack of 100 templates or a bundle, they might be rushing to get it, especially if it's designed professionally in an app such as Canva. When listing your digital product, you will add the link to that template in Canva in a PDF file that they can click on, make a copy, and use it for their own business. After that, your listing title, description, and tags play a huge role on how well your listing is doing on Etsy and how high in search it is going to rank. Research other similar products in your niche and see what keywords they use for their titles and descriptions and even tags. But do not copy their titles or description one by one, but make sure you get some of the keywords that you see are ranking and use them in your own listing. As well as that, you can type a few words in the search bar such as Instagram templates and you will see a bunch more keywords pop up such as Instagram templates for business, Instagram templates for coaches, and all those things. This will tell you what products to create and how to optimize your listings. So you can make a list of these keywords before you even start creating your products or after that as well, and include them in your listings titles and tags and in a naturally written description. So don't just throw them in your Etsy description. Try and create a naturally written one and explain what the product is about while including those keywords. In the description, you can add more information about what the product contains, how many templates, how they will receive it, the format is going to be in, how and what you can edit for that template, as well as explain the benefits such as saving time of buying your product and checking out more products in your shop. For the listing images, these are also things that you will need to optimize really well if you want to make sales. The thumbnail image needs to contain some of the templates you're selling, for example. Also write what is included in those templates, for example, 100 templates for business owners. And if it is a bundle, mention that in the thumbnail image as well. For the other listing images, showcase what your product is, as many details about it as possible, how it can be used, and basically the information that you've added in your description, but a lot more people will read it in the listing images than they would in the description. Show your product being used, for example, if you're selling graphics, show how they can be used to design a t-shirt or to use them on a special blanket or anything else. Just showcase how your audience can take your product and use it for their own. A very important thing is also adding a listing video. It is proven that a lot more people buy products that have listing videos. So make sure to create a short video about your product that doesn't feature sound. Just explain what your product contains or how it can be used. Another tip as a beginner if you want to make more sales is running a sale on your shop. You can do that from your shop manager and marketing. And for example, offer 30% off your entire shop. Joining Etsy teams and being active in them, getting new favorites for your products, new views for your products, will also help you boost your sales and grow on Etsy as a beginner, no matter if you sell digital products or physical ones. So there you go, this is how you create an Etsy shop and optimize it for more digital product sales. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia.incomingsuccess for more content on growing online with social media and making more money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.